Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we have a body off the frame, meticulously detailed 69 Chevelle 396 4-speed triple black convertible here for you. If you visit volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, get the price, and all the photos top to bottom on this car and a few hundred other collector cars, and they're all for sale at volocars.com. Also, take 2 seconds to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, that way you'll be notified as these videos come out and you'll see them first. But right now the top is down. Why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Yeah, fresh restoration. I don't know if there's 100 miles on it. Complete body off the frame rotisserie. That means the body was literally on a rotisserie where they could flip it over. And that's important because that allows you to do a better job. You can get at it from every angle. This is a show sign that comes with the car. Underneath is detailed like a model car. All the suspension and chassis completely detailed and rebuilt. You know, new shocks, new springs, new bushings, new ball joints, all new brakes. They're disc in front, new brake lines, fuel tank, sending unit, new dual exhaust with the Flowmaster mufflers. You name it, it's new underneath this car, and it's all detailed, all polished, all shiny, beautiful clean metal with a nice semi-gloss finish. So the bottom of the car is fantastic. It's got the SS wheels. They look like they're brand new with new reproduction Firestone white oval tires. The body is really clean and straight. I mean, that's like a mirror. I could read a book in the reflection of this body and paint. All smooth along the bottom. Actually, it feels slick as can be. The white stripe. All new emblems, moldings, mirrors, all this trim. Marker lights. This is all new. The whole grille, bumpers, all of it's new. Completely restored and detailed. It's a 1969 396 motor. It does have the GM aluminum intake on there. Fuel pump, plug wires, alternator, master cylinder, cadmium plated brake booster, a new wiper motor. The washers are hooked up. New hoses, shroud, battery cables. It's all new and completely detailed. It's spotless. Doesn't even look like it's been driven yet. It has power steering and power brakes. It also has a black power top. I apologize for how the boot fits. It's one of the things on our list. It doesn't have the snaps and it doesn't have the rail that this all attaches to. We will finish that up. The boot will fit much nicer. New tail lights, got the right cowbell exhaust tips. Trunk compartments all restored. It's got a nice gray and aqua spatter finish paint on the clean metal. New mat, SS wheel, and jack. It all looks new. New tire. It's all painted up nice. New decal, new weather strip. So it's a complete and it's a detailed trunk compartment. New upholstery, the seat backs, the trim on the seats, the door panels, armrests, window cranks, all of that's been replaced. Has the factory gauge package, got the tachometer with the gauges around it, the dash pad, that's all restored. New weather strips. Let me fire it up for you. The center console looks new. It's got the seat belts. That runs good. It fired right up. That sounds healthy. I'm going to get this thing out and test drive it. We'll do a video of that. Everything looks fantastic. I noticed the little chrome bezels right here, for whatever reason, they did not replace. And the radio, someone just stuck a cheap radio in the hole. I don't know what you're going to want, a stereo, a factory radio. So that we're going to leave alone. But the car will be all serviced, turnkey, ready to go drive and enjoy. It's a 4-speed. The clutch feels good. It has all new rubber. I guess I'm not closing it hard enough. It's all new rubber. That needs to take a little time to, fit a little better. So visit volocars.com. Get all the specs on this car. Plenty of ways to contact us on there. They'll answer any of the questions you have. You need more pictures, video. You need help with financing, shipping. We can help with all of that at volocars.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you're notified as the videos come out. Thanks for watching.